This is the 2007 Boston Whaler 32 Outrage. Let's give you a look at this hull. And let's go ahead and walk you down starboard. And let's go ahead and walk down port. And here's a good shot at these Mercury 250 Verados. And give you a look at the trim tabs. And I'll give you a quick video tour with all the covers on. And let's go ahead and start in the aft with these Mercury 250 Verados. Now, this owner has always serviced the boat with certified Mercury service, and he has all his maintenance records. And coming over to that side, you're gonna see a swim platform on each side, as well as a deep reach ladder, and that'll bring us in through our cockpit. And here's a good view of this roomy cockpit. And there you'll see with one simple pull, you've transitioned into aft seating. And then as soon as you come through the cockpit door, if you open up here, you're gonna see you've got a shower to shower off the beach. And then on each side, you're gonna see rod storage along the sides. And then open up on each side and you're gonna see huge fish boxes. Currently, this owner's using them for storage, but on each side, you're gonna see very large fish boxes. Then facing forward, that'll bring you to your bait station, and let's go ahead and open up that. And there you'll see the covers held up with gas-assisted hinge. You're gonna see your sink. You're gonna see a very large live well there. And then if I come down below, you're gonna see your tackle cupboards. And then if we come back up, it's a good time to mention, you've got rod holders everywhere all over this boat, as well as cup holders. Everywhere you look is rod holders and cup holders. And that will bring us up to the hard top, and you'll see just a beautiful hard top. And it's got the outriggers, spreaders, rocket launchers. And then if you take a look at this life preserver storage, I love the cover system on this boat. You'll see there it matches the isinglass, which matches all the covers. Just a really cool looking cover set. And then moving forward, if I go ahead and face aft, it'll give you a good shot of these helm seats. And then if I go ahead and face back forward, bring us to our actual helm. And let's go ahead and start at the top. You're gonna see switches for some of your lights. And then you're gonna see right now this current owner uses the electronics box for storage, but there's plenty of room to grow in this boat for electronics. And if I come down further, you're gonna see your compass. And that brings us down to these Garmin GPS Map 4212s. And you'll see I got the nav chart on that one, combo on this one with sonar and radar, just a very well outfitted boat. And then down below that, you're gonna see your ignitions, all your switches, your Mercury SmartCraft. And down below that, you're gonna see your autopilot, your trim tabs, your fly-by-wire shifters, and your spotlight control, and your remote for your stereo. And then moving to the side, you'll see Whaler builds in great storage, and that's on both sides. And then here on the port side, you're gonna see your EPIRB. And then if I come around, and on the starboard side, you'll see just a very large marine head in this Whaler 32. Just great deal of space, sink, counter space, and plenty of storage. And before I leave the helm area, once again, give you a good shot of this isinglass that goes around the helm. And then if we move forward, that will bring us up to our bow. Boston Whaler just does a great job in building a tremendous amount of seating in the Whaler. This boat cruises as well as it fishes. I don't know how many people could fit there, but it looks like 2 in front of the helm, 2 on each side, maybe 1 facing aft. I mean, you just have a tremendous amount of seating. And then opening up these compartments, you'll see just a tremendous amount of storage. You have rod storage as well as general storage in there. Right now, the current owner has his covers stored in there. And then you'll see just great deal of storage with a drain. And then more storage on this side. Right now, he's got his Coast Guard stuff over there. And then opening the hatches in the deck, just look at the size of these compartments, just huge. And you'll notice also very clean. And then moving up to the bow, lift up here, and you've got a very organized windlass compartment, and you'll see even your controls, your washdown, just really nice.